Why does the color blue send shivers down the spine of some political entities? A question not often asked, but deeply rooted in the current socio-political landscape. It all started with a movement, a wave of change that swept across the nation. It was known as the Blue Movement, led by Chamisa. In the beginning, it was just a whisper, a murmur in the wind. But as the days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, the whisper grew louder, turning into a roar that echoed throughout the nation. The Blue Movement, a symbol of hope for many and a beacon of change, was born out of the need for a new direction. It was a call to arms for the disenfranchised, the disillusioned, and the disenchanted. The Blue Movement took root in the hearts and minds of the people, gradually gaining momentum. It was not just a political movement, it was a cultural phenomenon, a rallying cry for a brighter future. The color blue became a symbol of hope and change, a beacon that lit up the path to a better tomorrow. However, as the Blue Movement gained traction, it began to instill fear in the incumbent. President Mnangagwa, who had been at the helm for years, began to feel the tremors of change. The tide was turning, the wind was shifting, and the Blue Movement was at the crux of it all. The army, a force that had always been seen as the bastion of stability, began to show signs of unrest. Rumblings of discontent began to surface. Whispers of a coup began to circulate. The Blue Movement, it seemed, had not just stirred the people, but also the army. The fear of the Blue Movement and the army is not just about the loss of power. It's about the fear of the unknown, the fear of change. It's about the fear of a new order, a new way of doing things, a new way of thinking. In conclusion, the Blue Movement, led by Chamisa, has caused a seismic shift in the political landscape. It has stirred the hearts and minds of the people and the army, instilling a fear in the incumbent, President Mnangagwa. This fear is not just about losing power, it's about the fear of change, the fear of the unknown. It's a testament to the power of the people, the power of a movement, the power of change.